I'm still having to pull from my personal finances to be able to fund my shop to keep it open because the rent don't stop.
Funding has been a big struggle. That's probably been the biggest one.
Those are just 2 of 5 Black business owners
I am
Black business.
who will benefit from a special fundraising campaign this week called I Got 5 on It.
5 businesses, $5,000 apiece.
GIFT, which stands for Generating Income for Tomorrow,
Man, y'all crazy. Man, I can't believe it, dog.
is less than a year old and has already given out $150,000 in monthly grant money. This special fundraiser is to jumpstart 5 more Black businesses who could benefit from a smaller amount right now.
We want to make impact on the community as quickly as possible because the community needs it now and not later.
GIFT's mission is to revitalize Kansas City's East Side by building up Black businesses that have typically struggled to get loans. 80% of the money raised comes from community donations, sharing on social media what money comes in and where it goes, so you can see how your donations make a difference.
We have seen a lot of our business owners come to tears when they realize that this is real. We begin to see jobs created. We have begun to see business growth. We have begun to see businesses being saved.
It's that generational wealth, something that's gonna go on behind, my time here that I can leave.
When we help the East Side flourish, it will be great for every resident of Kansas City, not just for the residents of the East Side.